Hi students, good morning. This is Srinivasa Perumal. Today we are going to discuss about surface area volume exercise 13.7. Question number 7. A right triangle ABC with sides 5 cm, 12 cm and 13 cm is revolved about the side 12 cm. Find the volume of the solid obtained. Very simple. It's a right triangle, so this one A B C, and this is a 5 centimeter and revolved about the side 12, so this one is 12 centimeter and the opposite, this one, the hypotenuse is equal to 13 centimeter. So it's revolved, so it will creating a cone. So the radius is 5 centimeter, the height of the cone is 12 centimeter, then slant height L is equal to 13 centimeter. So we need to find the volume. So volume of solid is 1 by 3 pi r squared h. One by 3, the pi value is equal to 22 by 7 or 3.14. R value is 5, so 5 square, then h is equal to 12. After cancelling, it will be 4 times, then after simplifying, then final value is equal to 314 centimeter cube. The triangle ABC in the question 7 above is revolved about the side 5 centimeter. Then find the volume of solid so obtained. Find also the ratio of volumes of the two solids obtained in question 7 and this question 8. Very simple. So the previous diagram is this one, A, B, C. This one is 5 centimeter and 12, then 13 centimeter. But in this question, so it's revolved based on the 5 centimeter. So the height is like this, 5, so this one is 5 centimeter. So because this question is revolved about 5 centimeter and this is a radius, this value is equal to 12 centimeter, this is 13 centimeter. So the same concept, height of this cylinder is, this cone is 5 centimeter and slant height L is equal to 13 centimeter. The radius of this one R is equal to 12 centimeter. So we need to find the volume of this figure. One third of pi r squared h. So just consider, so we need to comparing the two volumes. So we no need to multiply the pi times. So instead of using a 3.14 or a 22 by 7. So let's discuss later. 1 by 3 pi R value is 12 centimeter. So 12 square, then h is equal to 5. So after simplifying, we're getting 240 pi centimeter cube. So this is volume of question number 8. I just consider this is a 8th question. The previous one is 7th question volume. So this value is also equal to 100 pi. So because, so just replacing this value into pi. So 25 into 4 is 100 pi. So for comparison, it is much easy. Now, the ratio of volume of solid, question number 7 and question number 8. So question number 7 is 100 pi and this one is 240 pi. So this reason only I am not using the pi value instead of 3.14 or 22/7. So just directly cancelling, then 0 also, 10 divided by 24. So common term is 2. So further value is 5 divided by 12. So the ratio of volume is 5:12. Exercise 13.8, question number 1. So find the volume of sphere whose radius is. So it's very simple. The first one, the radius r is equal to 7 centimeter. So we know the formula. So volume of sphere, four by 3 pi r cube. So just replacing r value, then pi is 22/7, then r cube, so 7 cube. So 7 times 7 times 7. Then just cancelling these two. So the final value is 4312 divided by 3. After cancelling, 1437.33 centimeter cube. So this is the volume. Next one. So the second question, the radius r is equal to 0.63 meter. So fractions, so it's a little bit complex. So we just converting the fraction into a whole number. So 0.63 is equal to 63 upon 100. So just replacing values. So the volume equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. So just replacing 4 divided by 3 into 22/7 into the r value is equal to 63/100. So instead of fraction, this is much better. If maybe you feel fractions is better, so you directly do this. So after cancelling, 9 times then just multiply it. So the final value is 1.0478 meter cube. But normally the question after the point 2 digit is enough. So just round off. So just compare. This is greater than 5. So round off 1.048. Now compare. This is greater than 5. So just cancel and increase one value in the previous number. So 1.05. The unit is meter cube. So this is volume of sphere. Question number 2. Find the amount of water displayed by a solid sphere ball of diameter. So 28 centimeter is first. So just compare. This is a diameter, not for radius. So diameter D is equal to radius divided by 2. So it's represented by R. So D is 28 centimeter. So the radius is 28 divided by 2. So equal to 14 centimeter. Now just substitute the values. So amount of water displayed is equal to simple the volume of sphere only. Volume of sphere. Then the formula is 4 by 3 pi r cube. So just replacing 4 divided by 3 into pi value is 22 by 7. Then r value is 14 centimeter. So 14 times this one. So after cancelling, this will be equal to 2. Then final value is 34496 divided by 3. Then after cancelling, 11,498.66 centimeter cube is volume. Then move for question number 2. The same process only. The value is 0.21 meter. So this is not a radius, it's a diameter. Radius is equal to this one divided by 2. So radius is equal to 0.21 divided by 2. The final value is equal to 0.105 meter. So again the same story. Amount of water displayed is equal to volume of sphere. So just replacing, formula is 4 by 3 pi r cube. Then 4 by 3, the value is 22 divided by 7. Then r value is, so 0.105. If you're using a calculator means it is very easy. But in a manual calculation, we need to converting. So 105 divided by 1000. It's much better to calculate. So now I replacing 105 divided by 1000 whole cube. After simplifying, so after simplifying, the final value is 0.004851 meter cube. So this is the final volume and the amount of water displayed. On the homework the previous exercise 13.7, the last question. Question number 9, and this exercise 13.8, question number 3. So 2 questions is homework. Thank you.